Intel set to receive up to $8.5 billion to build chip plants. Our Kristina Partsinevelos joins us with those details. Kristina.
I'm going to use the word finally getting the funding after a year and a half of negotiations to expand semiconductor factories across the U.S. This is the largest award thus far. So like you said, $8.5 billion with a big tax rebate on CapEx spending, so capital expenditure. And Intel is promising roughly $100 billion in spending. That means at least $25 billion in tax savings, along with $11 billion in government loans, which Intel CEO did promise yesterday that it was going to be at low interest rates. I asked CEO Pat Gelsinger on a call last night if the money meant they had to build lagging edge military chips. He said no, the money was for commercial use, and they weren't expecting any additional money from the Department of Defense. Pat Gelsinger, though, was on CNBC earlier today, speaking with John Ford, and promised advanced capabilities by next year, with hopes to sign on AMD and NVIDIA as customers. Still not the case yet. Shares, though, let's take a look at the stock, though. They're off earlier highs. They were, 3% higher. You can see in the red right now, because much of this was already expected, priced into the stock. Since it's not really an AI play, it has a lot to prove on its foundry business and market share loss to AMD. Frank?
So, Kristina, you're saying it's not really an AI play. Earlier today, our Megan Casella also did some reporting on this, saying it's about leading edge technology. So for investors, can you clarify? You do so much great reporting on the chip sector. What exactly does that mean? What's leading edge?
So leading edge is more advanced, I was going to say advanced nodes, advanced chips that are used in, let's say, a GPU. But these manufacturing hubs will take several years to come online. Pat Gelsinger promised that one of those factories would come online next year. So when we're talking about AI play, we're talking about an AI play right now. Intel does not specialize in these more advanced GPUs. They're known for the CPUs and a bunch of other products that we've used in our electronics for years. And so that's what I meant by it's not an AI play right now. It's more geared towards NVIDIA, AMD that's launching its own GPU, et cetera. Marvell, Broadcom, Intel is going to be the guy that makes those AI chips for the other players. That's how they're going to play into this whole AI ecosystem, but it's not going to be immediate.
All right, some big news for Intel today, getting about $8.5 billion, as you mentioned. Shares just slightly in the red. A lot of this was priced in. Kristina Partsinevelos, great to see you as always.
Thanks,
We're going to hear
Frank.
more from Intel's Pat Gelsinger on Overtime today. That's at 4 p.m. Eastern with our John Ford. And now we're going to come back to the investment committee. Steve, you own Intel. What do you make of this news? What do you make about $8.5 billion through the CHIPS Act?
Well, I would have thought there would have been a slight uptick. I mean, if I gave you $8 or $11 billion, you'd all of a sudden be very popular.
Was higher in the pre-market.
Yeah, no, I know, and then it sold off. But yeah, I mean, look, this is a market where it's just waiting on the Fed, so there's really nothing to new there. This was news despite the hiccup with the Department of Defense. Nothing new here. I own Intel because of the foundry business, because they will be having pretty good capacity. They were an early adopter of ASML's new EUV product, which is going to, again, revolutionize, shrink the chip in terms of what you could put on it. So, look, I think it'll do quite well. And Gelsinger made some strategic plays a few years ago when he first started, and you'll start to see them come to fruition.
Yeah, Bring, I'm going to come over to you. You are actually not an investor in Intel. You're not a big fan of the company. Give us a sense why. I mean, this CHIPS Act award right here, grants and loans, given the stock an early boost in the pre-market, obviously now selling off, as Weiss mentioned. But why are you in general not a fan of this company?
Well, no, it's not that I'm not a fan of the company. It's that I don't want to own the stock. And so I think semiconductors are very volatile. I think Pat's been doing a nice job of turning this company around, which prior to him coming had been frozen in time. They missed multiple chip cycles. So to me, the challenge is around execution. Can they catch up? Because while they're catching up on the chip side outside of the foundries, AMD and NVIDIA and the other companies are running 1,000,000 miles an hour. And let's just be clear, Intel would never have built these foundries unless they got the $8.5 billion, because it's incredibly expensive to build this in America. So I think this is a great win for America. It's great to be onshoring. It can be a great company. I'm just not interested in the stock because I don't see meaningful earnings growth over the next couple of years.